Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can combine multiple internet connections in order to get faster network speeds. Um, so first of all, let's check how much speed we got individually on connections. So right now, um, let me connect it to this Wi-Fi here and let's check our speed. So we got 14 Mbps on that connection. Now I'm gonna plug in my Ethernet cable into my laptop and then let's test that. So I plugged in my Ethernet cable. Let's turn my Wi-Fi off so that we are sure. If you want to see my network, let's go to network, and here we are connected. So this is what my speed is. So it's 38 Mbps, or let's say 40 Mbps, and the other one is 15 Mbps. So let's turn my Wi-Fi on as well and try to connect these both. Now right now, okay, let me actually connect only one connection and let's do our setup first. So first of all, let's go to github.com and search for dispatch proxy. Now we will open this go-dispatch-proxy here and we'll install this one. So I'm using Mac M1 machine and I will download for my version. I don't know about other versions and I haven't checked them, but you can see there are all the versions available there. So for Mac M1 I will use this one. Let me save it here, and since it is downloaded, let's open that folder and let's unzip it. So we got this go dispatch proxy binary file here. What we can do is we can open our terminal here. Okay. And we can just directly run it right now from this folder, but to run it from anywhere, what we can do is we can move this file to our user local and bin. So I have some commands here which you can use to do that. Let's just copy and paste it here. I will put these commands in the description as well. Okay, so it says permission denied because you can't directly move it. You have to use sudo and then do it. Okay, now it's moved to that folder, and let's go to that folder and check it. So here it is, right? Or if you wanna see it at the top, okay, so here is, oh, it's an old file. Okay, I think we can't list it that way anyway. So let's see what we got. We got this go dispatch proxy file here, and to run it we have to make it executable. So for that we'll just modify it. You can copy and paste this command, and we have made it executable now. And after that, let's so on Mac, since you know it's 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 kind of, it's it doesn't let you install anything anywhere randomly. You have to kind of um, exclude it from that like Mac is gonna quarantine it, right? So you're gonna exclude it. So let's just copy and paste this command here so that it wouldn't flag it as some kind of threat. So that's what we are doing right now, and that's done. Now you have to run it only once, obviously. Now since it is done, we can just exit from it. We can close our window for a while and we can open it again, and let's just check if our go-dispatch-proxy is working. Go-dispatch-proxy, yeah, it's working. We can do something like --help. It's gonna give us help. Now we can see these commands. We can do something like -list to list networks. Right now I'm connected using only one internet connection, one internet source. Let's connect to my Wi-Fi as well so that we can test our combined speed. Now my Wi-Fi is also connected. If you want to check my networks here, you can also see my Wi-Fi is connected and my USB Ethernet cable is also connected. What we have to do is we have to start this server by, let's list it again, so that because we need two of our IP addresses list, right? And what I can do is I can just type it again, go dispatch proxy, and then I'll copy and paste these two IP addresses. That's one and that's second, and let's execute it. Now here is the trick part. So in order to run it, what we have to do is we have to note down this local server, and we have to modify the settings of our network adapter. So what we will go there in the Ethernet first and go to proxy, go to SOCKS proxy, and in the server one, put 127 or whatever it gives you here. So put it here and the exact port and click OK, and do the same thing for Wi-Fi as well, Wi-Fi adapter. Go to proxy, go to SOCKS proxy and put the same thing here and click OK. Now let's go to fast.com again and let's check our internet speed again. Now if it surpasses 40 Mbps, that means it's working, because my data plan is literally capped at 40 Mbps from the ISP. Like my ISP has only two plans, which is 40 Mbps and 100 Mbps, so I'm using 40 Mbps one. But since we're getting this 45 Mbps, that means it's working. We can check it again. And let's see where it stops. Yeah, so this is, guys, how you can get how you can combine faster internet. And once you are disconnected, or at least this server is disconnected, you won't be able to surf internet, and for that you need to turn these things off again. If you are using only one, for example, or you don't need it, you don't need to run this software, you have to turn off this SOCKS proxy. And if we want to test again, let's see, it's not gonna go beyond 40 Mbps. Even my server is running right now, but it's not gonna go beyond 40 Mbps, and that's what we are seeing. And if I plug out my Ethernet cable and you want to check again, so let me plug out my Ethernet cable. If you want to check that Wi-Fi again, single one, it's not going to give you more than 15 Mbps. So let's see, and that's what we are talking about, right? So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I hope to get back to you as soon as I can.